we're making Thai chicken with cashew nuts. It's a very simple dish. It takes about 10-15 minutes. We're gonna take these ingredients and turn it into that. Then we'll do the taste test. Now let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe below. You're gonna need 3 chicken breasts. I always make sure I cut off the excess fat because we don't need that. Dice the chicken into 3 strips and dice into 1-inch cubes. Nothing smaller because the chicken will be dry when you fry it. Next, you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt. Sprinkle gently. Next, you're gonna add 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I usually just sprinkle it in, mix it, and if I need more, I add a little bit more. The main goal is to make sure it's lightly coated with cornstarch before you fry. So when you fry it, it becomes light and crispy and golden brown. Vegetable oil. Now that we have the chicken cut into small cubes, we're going to place it into the oil for 15 to 20 minutes. You want to fry the chicken for 15 to 20 minutes until it's nice and crispy. Dice the onions into 1-inch or a 1/2 inch slices. Anything smaller, they won't be crunchy when you fry it. Do the same thing with the bell pepper. 1-inch slices. To slice it from the top, it's a little bit easier when you slice these bell peppers, you know? 4 pieces of garlic, dice it up. Perfect. 4 green onions. I dice them about 1-inch long, and I add them right before I'm about to serve the dish. 2 Thai chili peppers, or 3, I guess. If you want it hot, make it hot. 2 hot peppers. Now that the wings are fried and the veggies are cut, let's make the sauce and throw it in the wok. Add 3 teaspoons of water. 3 teaspoons of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. 1 teaspoon of pepper. 1/2 a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix it up. 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. Add the raw cashew nuts. Mix until it's golden brown. Then what you can do is you can add the garlic and roast the garlic until it's a little crispy and you can smell the garlic. When you can smell the garlic, you can add the vegetables. Mix it. Man, that looks amazing. Now we're going to add that crispy chicken we cooked earlier. This is optional. It was too hot, so I didn't add the hot peppers. Now add the sauce. Mix it all together. Blend all those ingredients. Man, this smells delicious. And keep mixing. Man, doesn't that look good? And there you have it, Thai chicken with cashew nuts. I didn't add the red pepper because it was much hotter than I thought it was. Now let's for the taste test. Now, let's do the taste test. Get a little green pepper.
Lucia. Some rice. Sweet, spicy. I think it's just perfect. But if you want to spice it up, add those Thai chilies. It's all up to you. So please subscribe and have a great night. Goodbye.